Here we go. Here we go. All right, all right. Welcome back to Building for Generations. Welcome back, family, where we come to you every Sunday at 8 p.m. I'm a little bit late today, so excuse me. But we come to you every Sunday with what's going on with me and to inspire you to do more in this life because we only get one. Today, I'm coming to you guys with some news about the SBA 7A program loan. So if you guys are interested in expanding your business and get some business funding from the SBA through lenders they partner with, definitely listen up. So this will be really brief this Sunday so you guys can get it. And you can reach out to dudleyaccountingservices.com to get further assistance with this. We are providing a service of helping you guys complete the application. So today we're going to get started. It is August the 15th. My birthday was yesterday. I am 31 years old, on my way to being a billionaire. So today is August the 15th, 2021. Time is flying by. As you know, being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality today. Make your dreams reality today. Time is the number one currency of all. Use it wisely. Use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life. So our new focus today is the SBA 7A program. So if you are a business, a startup, or you are a small business owner looking for funding from the SBA, here is your ticket and the door to a pretty easy process here. I'm going to go through it with you guys so you guys can go ahead and follow along. You guys can see my screen here. The SBA has a borrower's information form, which is a 1990 form, and that's just a basic form to capture in different fields your LLC information, your EIN information, your personal information, and each officer that you have working under your LLC information and captures that information. So it's a pretty easy form that we help you fill out from A to Z. Then you got your personal background and financial statement. This is only required if the lender asks us for a personal background and financial statement on yourself. That's just if it's required by the lender. Some lenders don't require that. And most importantly, the reason why I read what fulfills me in life is business for financial statements. Financial statements are a key measure of where you are at in the business and where you're going. So I definitely strive you guys who are do-it-yourselfers, who's like, oh, my business is small enough, so I'll just go ahead and do my financials and bookkeeping on my own. Get a good bookkeeper or CPA in your corner that knows what they're doing and take some of that pressure off of you. So you're not working in your business, you're working on it. So the business financial statement requirement, we go down the list here is a year-end profit and loss statement. So that's your income statement and balance sheet, your income statement, and for the last 3 years. And that's where you have your income minus expenses equal your net income for the year. That's the number that you pay taxes on. Your year-end balance sheet for the last 3 years with a debt schedule. So your debt schedule. So if you guys have any outstanding debt, they want to see if you guys are up to date with payments with your outstanding debt. Reconciliation of net worth. It's kind of just like a personal background statement of net worth. How many assets do you own? It's not a huge thing, but it assures the bank and the lender and SBA that they will get their investment back. An interim balance sheet is a snapshot of your balance sheet, like right now. Like if we were to cut a picture of your balance sheet and all your assets and liabilities, there'll be a snapshot of it right now. Then we have an interim profit and loss statement, and there'll be a snapshot as of August 15, 2021. This is where you're at as far as income and expenses. Projected financial statements, they kind of want to see your cash flow projection. So what are you going to look like after you receive the loan? So I have clients who apply for as little as $500,000 or $250,000 if they're being modest, and they can really put this into their business plan going forward with actual financial data that these lenders love to read. These lenders want to know what's the time frame and the period of me getting my investment back, of me getting my money back. So business financial statements help paint the pictures for the lenders, and we help you come up with that. Within Dudley Accounting Services is why I live. This is what fulfills me. It's helping you get to where you're going within business. Then next on our list is just your business certificate or license. That's what you get, your articles of organization, and you get your business certificate or license from your particular state. Loan application history. If you have any other loans that you guys are filling out or have filled out, they will see that possibly on your credit when they're running your credit. So we figure out what's good at and what we kind of need to kind of pay attention to there. Income tax returns. So these are complete income tax returns. For those of you guys know, a 1040 is you, your personal tax return, which is you. Schedule C is an attachment to your 1040, which is an attachment to you. So Schedule C is just a small business owner who's a sole proprietor or an LLC. Then you have your 1065s, which are like partnerships and above. And then you have your 1120 assets, which are your S corporations, who that all attaches to your 1040 when we go ahead and file your taxes. So they're looking for the previous 3 years of a complete income tax return. Your 1040 included with all your endeavors and all of their K1s. Resume, a small resume of who you are, who you work for, and the experience that you have within business. Business overview and history of your business. So really basic snapshot of your business and your history. So all this can be a really neat one-page business plan. Business lease. So if you have any leases outstanding, if you guys rent a place, they want to know if you're up to date with your payments or your lease before they loan you this money. And additional documentation will be needed if you want to purchase an existing business. Like me as an accountant, I might purchase an additional CPA firm to get more accounts to make more revenue. So I would have to have the financials from that existing business, that CPA firm that I'm buying, to kind of corroborate that this is a business that they actually want to lend me money to purchase another entity with. So they want to see a current balance sheet, profit and loss statement, 3 years of federal income tax returns of the business to be purchased, right? So these are the people and the principles of the business to be purchased. So we have to gain their information. So this has just been a quick video on what the 7A loan program is. It is for short and long-term working capital. So in a quick nutshell, it can be used for real estate if you guys want. Refinance current business debt, purchase furniture, fixtures. It's pretty much wide open. It's all about you guys taking action and doing the best we can in this life. And reach out to us at DudleyAccountingServices.com or reach out to me directly at 708-264-6686. And we'll be more than glad to help you complete the 7A application and get the ball rolling. So that's all I got for you guys today. This is my first Sunday Fun Day where I am 31 years old. So here it is. I stayed under 10 minutes, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.